Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the G strategy for investment banking. She is our ex-student who have used G strategy to come to this college. So, Karina, we want to know about your journey from CMAT 94 percentile to Flames and then getting into investment banking.
Right.
So we'll talk about all these things. So पहले हम CMAT की बात करते हैं कि CMAT में जब का 94 percentile आया, so what was going in your mind कि whether you have to apply for the colleges now, and because you are from Bombay, तो CET क्यों नहीं दिया यार?
Right.
वो भी कुछ नहीं कहा.
Right.
So let's do the introduction first.
Okay. Hello everyone. So I'm Krina Shah. I'm from Mumbai and I'm currently a PG2 student pursuing MBA from Flame University. And I'm currently doing majors in finance and minor is into marketing. So I was not really keen about MBA in my initial journey. I was preparing for my CFA exam and I had a very short time to prepare for the MBA entrance exam as well. So I enrolled for the CET King classes and I had taken up your crash course and the exam, especially the test series that so always keeps saying that, you know, it is more important to practice rather than just studying. So that motivated me, the percentile that I got with the help of sir and I mean all the test series, I ended up coming to Flame University. I chose Flame University because of the finance ecosystem, because I always wanted to get into investment banking. And when I joined Flame University, other than the curriculum, for the extracurricular, I was more intrigued towards the Flame Investment Lab. Flame Investment Lab has been very instrumental in bringing upliftment in my career when it comes to investment banking, and also it has a very holistic background. So we have sessions on value investing, cases of financial shenanigans, where they always say that, you know, history repeats in itself with financial shenanigans. So that has been a very instrumental path in my career.
Right. So when I talk about the G strategy for getting investment banking, what I feel after talking to you is you are too much into finance. You have done, I think, everything in finance. आपने CFA भी कर लिया.
Yes.
आपने investment lab में भी आप को participate.
Yes.
So what is investment lab actually doing?
Investment Lab is giving us sessions that bridges the gap between the academic and the practical aspect. So everything that we study, what professor teaches us, it is all theoretical perspective. But when we step out in the real world, it is very necessary to bridge the gap between the practical and the theoretical part, which everybody says that, you know, when we step out of the world of a job, it is not easy going, because we studied something in theory and then there is completely difference in practical aspect. So that bridges the gap because it teaches us. So there are professors who have great knowledge in the field already, and they come from a very profound background and industry experience. So they explain us and train us in a way that we learn from their experience and mistakes. So then we learn about the case studies, about value investing and its blueprint. We learn about the financial modeling, Excel modeling, all that we do with Flame Investment Lab sessions.
Superb. So, and CFA you did after coming to college or before?
Before joining college,
that.
yes sir.
So do you advise everyone to go for CFA? Because if you look at it, the moment you give CFA, your profile suddenly stands out.
Right, sir.
So आपने कब दिया था? December वाला के March में वाला?
No sir, March वाला दिया था, because it was a COVID batch. So that is when they kept postponing the attempts. So I had given the exam in the month of March.
So that was actually the December one.
Yeah, December 1, yes sir. So we received an option to either give it in the month of Feb, March or April. So then I had taken the March attempt. Yes sir.
Super.
Right.
And so which company are you going to join now?
I'm going to join Jean Martin INC. It is an investment banking firm. So we'll be preparing and working towards the preparing of pitch decks and pitch books and everything.
Correct. So if you ask me about the G strategy for getting into investment banking, I think finance में घुस जाओ.
Yes.
So you should be getting into finance.
Definitely.
CFA हो गया, ये हो गया, जितना आप कर सकते हो, जितना knowledge. So that would be, I think, your main forte.
Yes.
So you learned a lot about finance.
Yes, and not only, I would say, not only from academic perspective, because just the academics have not helped me to get here. So I remember the time when I was applying for my summer internship, and I bagged an internship at Deloitte was not just because of my academics, but that was because of the extracurricular related to finance, so we at Flame we even get the opportunity to work with our professors, because they often write case studies that are published, and we get to work with them as well. So when we work with them, we understand the views of case studies, we start preparing all of that at a very early age. So that experience helps us to talk about it and maybe perform better at our workplace.
Great. So thank you. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank
for
you so much.